Building a professional online course with a 24/7 AI tutor used to take weeks of grinding. Now, it appears you can do it in less time than your morning commute. But there is a massive hidden catch that could make your entire operation legally unusable. The old system of hiring instructional designers, scripting, and editing is basically broken at this point. This new workflow changes everything, allowing you to completely bypass that bottleneck and spin up a comprehensive 6-module curriculum in under 30 minutes. That totally solves the speed problem. But right out of the gate, it introduces a severe limitation that almost every single beginner completely misses, threatening to tear down the whole thing before it even launches. Section 1. The engine, LearnLM. The secret sauce driving this automation isn't just your standard chatbot, it's LearnLM, a family of models fine-tuned specifically for learning science. And here's the crazy part. It is designed to strictly ground responses in verifiable citations. During testing, the AI literally refused to answer anything that wasn't explicitly inside the uploaded documents. No hallucinations, just facts. Section 2. The 30-minute workflow. The execution here is incredibly fast. You just drop in your raw materials, PDFs, OCR images, or even YouTube URLs. Then the system's deep research tool jumps in to automatically fill any curriculum gaps. Finally, you hit the studio panel to instantly generate your slide deck structure, mind maps, and audio overviews all at once. To give you a sense of the real-world impact, a corporate trainer recently used this exact method to crush a dense 200-page manual. The result? They slashed new hire training time from 2 full weeks down to just 3 days. Honestly, this changes everything for corporate onboarding. Section 3. The copyright catch. But here is the catch. Before you go wild uploading every textbook you've ever bought, you need to know that throwing in copyrighted materials you don't own is a direct violation of terms of service. Do that, and you risk getting your account flagged and all your hard work instantly deleted. And the tension doesn't stop there. We run into a frustrating technical bottleneck known as notebook isolation. Basically, your students can only interact with one single course module at a time because the AI notebooks appear to be completely walled off and cannot communicate with each other. Section 4. Beating notebook isolation. So how do we fix that fragmented experience? There's a partial fix, though it's a bit manual. You export all your individual module outputs as PDFs, manually stitch them together into one giant master document, and then upload that combo file into a brand new master notebook. Boom! Now the AI tutor can reference the entire course at once. Section 5. Beyond traditional teaching. What's wild is seeing how this is bleeding out of the classroom. Freelancers are taking messy meeting transcripts and contracts and turning them into automated client onboarding hubs. Meanwhile, researchers are ditching static PDFs to package dense academic papers into fully interactive learning modules. Section 6. Understanding the ceilings. But here is the catch when it comes to scaling up. While educators get a sweet deal for free, professionals are hitting a wall unless they upgrade. The Pro tier at $19.99 a month unlocks 300 sources, but if you want that high-end Veil 3 cinematic video generation, you're likely looking at dropping $99 a month on the Ultra tier. And wait, here is the third catch, creating a huge contradiction for mobile learners. The highly praised real-time interactive mode, where you converse with the AI, currently lacks offline capability altogether. It demands a stable internet connection and, in many cases, operates strictly as an English-only feature right now. Section 7. The ultimate bottleneck. Which brings us to the ultimate reality check. It is incredibly tempting to just let the AI run wild, but here's the truth. A course built in 30 minutes from weak sources is still fundamentally a weak course. It just arrives faster. It's a massive contradiction. The AI makes you faster, but it doesn't automatically make your ideas better. Speed is not the true advantage here. Control of your input quality is. So, I'll leave you with this. What matters more to your business? The thrill of generating an entire curriculum in minutes, or putting in the work to ensure you aren't legally wiped off the map?
If this video gave you value, smash that like button and subscribe to the AI Explainer for daily AI updates, and hit the bell so you never miss a breakdown. Stay sharp, stay ahead,